Redstone, Minecraft's electricity system, is a mystery for a lot of players. We're getting into the technical side of the game. Welcome to another easy Minecraft tutorial. In today's video, we're going to find out how to find and use redstone itself. We're about to cover a pretty big topic. Keep in mind that we're not getting into components as they will be covered in other videos. Otherwise, this would be a very long video. So let's start off with redstone ore. As you can see, it comes in two varieties. This is the regular stone type. This is the deep slate type. Now, where do you find it? You need to go pretty deep down. It can be found anywhere between Y levels 15 and -64, but it is more abundant the farther down you go. You'll find redstone generating in blobs of about 0 to 10. Well, 0 of course means nothing, and 10 is the biggest blob that you're going to find. It looks like we've got a blob of 5, although this is kind of disconnected. When mining for redstone, you need to use a pickaxe, at least iron level. So this is a regular pickaxe. As you can see, we gathered about 4 redstone. But if you want to pick up the block itself, you're going to need one of these. Silk Touch, right there. And there we go. But if you want to get a lot of redstone, use Fortune 3. And we just picked up 5 from that one and another 8. Wow. Now, redstone ore has an interesting property. If you touch it, like I'm doing right now, you can see it lights up. It has a light level of 9. If any mob walks across it, the same thing will happen. So in a way, you can use it as some sort of detector. In that case, you can use an observer, and this will light up. I've got some redstone dust here, and we will observe this being turned on. If this changes in status, although, first of all, it needs to turn off. So let's see what happens at night. Jump on there, and it turned on, and that just flashed red as it updated the observer. If we add a piston, you'll get to see the effect a little bit easier, as you can see. If you wish to smelt redstone ore, you can do so. I'm just going to put this in the blast furnace, and as you will see, you're only going to get 1 redstone dust. It is a lot more efficient to use a regular pickaxe. So let's move on to redstone dust. Now, there are other ways you can obtain redstone dust. You can, of course, get it from a witch if you kill them. There is a chance. Not a 100% chance, though. You can also find redstone dust in jungle pyramids and some woodland mansions. And you can find redstone dust in some loot chests, including in dungeons, mine shafts, strongholds, villages, and woodland mansions. You can also trade with a cleric to get redstone. In brewing, redstone dust can be used to make a couple of things. First of all, you can make mundane potion, which is absolutely useless. And there we go, no effects. And it can also be used to increase the duration of a potion. So for example, we've got water breathing right here, and what we're going to get is water breathing for 8 minutes instead of 3. Redstone dust is used to craft many things, and these are all of them. We're going to go over these individually. We're going to be going over this very soon. So we've got a block of redstone, clock, compass, detector rail, dispenser, dropper, note block, observer, piston, powered rail, redstone lamp, redstone comparator, redstone repeater, redstone torch, and target. Redstone dust is basically the wiring in Minecraft. So what I have here is a stretch of redstone dust that is 16 blocks long. Now, the signal strength from, let's say, a lever is 15, and that's as far as the redstone signal will go. So if we turn this on, you can see this is brightly lit, and as we go along, it gets dimmer and dimmer until we reach this one where it's the dimmest, and this is not even on. Redstone dust can be branched off in different directions. As you can see, it continues lighting up all that way. And if you have a cross here, you can see it crosses, and we have T shape here. Now if this were powered, this would be directing power in all directions, but the dot is only downwards. Redstone dust will power adjacent blocks. As you can see, that is turned on. If we do this right here, not like that, let's do it like this, it'll be turned on like that. And if we turn this off, you can see they also turn off. So let's look at a few different configurations here. So here we've got solid blocks up here and glass blocks up here, but this one is all slabs. Only the top one turns on. This bottom one here is a full block. Again, same thing. Now with the glass and the slab, only the top one turns on. With glass and full block, both turn on. Now here's a curious difference between Java and Bedrock editions. So you see I've got a transparent block here and a redstone lamp here. If we flip this on, it will not go down. But in Bedrock edition, it does go down. The redstone signals can go uphill, they can go downhill, but they cannot go downhill through slabs, as you can see. If you switch it around to go uphill, it does actually work. If you have an obstacle, in this case we've got a solid stone block and a solid glass block, that turns on. This does not in Java edition. Be very careful with the redstone dust and water because it does wash away. With redstone dust you can make a block of redstone like this. You can also do the reverse and make redstone dust. But let's take a look at the block of redstone. Redstone blocks are power sources that are on constantly. So for example, if we put a piston here, it's going to be turning on. Same with the redstone lamp. If we have an opaque block here, that's not going to be on, and that's not going to be on. Now if you put redstone dust down like this, that will power it. Now if you place a redstone block on top of there, it'll light up. Place any around on any side and they're all powered. That is not. Redstone torches, which we'll cover in another video, they are also always on, except when they're being powered like that. Redstone blocks can be moved with pistons, and you'll see what happens here. It powers that lamp. A redstone block can also be used to power powered rail. Just put one of these on there, and this is going to go. Redstone can power redstone dust from any part. So on top, as you can see, it is powered. You can power it from the side, and you can even power it from below. Redstone is a complex subject, but as we go through each component, we will try to make it easy to understand. Now, how experienced are you with redstone? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the target block video on the left, and if you enjoy what you see, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.